Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be preparing for you some chocolate strawberries just in time for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. I'm going to wash the berries right now. You want to leave the stems on the strawberries because you're going to hold on to the stems to dip your strawberry in the chocolate. This is the dark chocolate that I use. It's unsweetened baking chocolate. So I'm going to add 4 ounces of chocolate to a container. Oh, that chocolate smells so good. It's so dark. I have broken up the chocolate, so I'm going to add some sugar to it, 4 tablespoons of Swerve. I added the 4 tablespoons of Swerve in here, the sugar, free sugar, and now what I'm going to do is just mix it up a little bit better. Now I'm going to start dipping the strawberries in the sauce. And you're going to place these in the refrigerator after you're done. So you know, I microwave the chocolate for 2 minutes, or you can use a double boiler to melt the chocolate. It's up to you. But I microwave mine for 2 minutes, and then I added the Swerve and a pinch of salt to it. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe.